Marcus from eCalc, and today we design a drive for a Hotliner. I will demonstrate how I came up with my Hotliner setup for a ChocoFly Attacko 2.9. As discussed before, I define my performance goals and the framework conditions. And here we go. We start eCalc, choose the propCalc, and then we start. For a Attacko 2.9, the cooling is most probably poor due to the narrow body. The airplane without any drive components is 2.150 kilograms without drive. The wing area is about 55 square decimeter, and I'm flying about 500 meters elevation. As discussed, the framework condition is my battery. It's a 30S 4.2 amp hours 4S battery. So now I choose just any ESC to start, and here we go. I'm looking for a motor that is light and has high performance capability, so I going with the Leo Motion L40. This motor has a 40 millimeters diameter, and that just fits into the fuselage of the Attacko. So here we go. I tried just one, this one here. This is a geared motor, and I using a folding prop from Freudenthaler with a quite small yoke, so even though the blade's dimension is a 16 by 13 inch, the diameter will be a little less because of the yoke, so 15.5 by 13, and here we go with the first result. So we scroll down and we recall our goals and compare this to the results. So where power weight ratio, it's quite far below our goal of 500 watt per kilogram, so that means we need a little more RPM. We take the next one, calculate again, so we now at 66 amps and 330 watt per kilogram. It's not what I'm looking for, so again I'm increasing the kV, and here we're getting quite close now. 81 amps, 6 kilogram of static thrust, and 400 watts per kilogram. Nevertheless, I try the bigger propeller, 17 by 13 So that means finally we get 16.5 by 13 due to the yoke. And we would like to see what's gonna be the peak values of a freshly charged battery. And we calculate that again. And here we are, 107 amps, and the temperature is just on the edge. A good performance overall, a very high climb rate, and power weight ratio of above 500 watt per kilograms. So the 107 amps are a little too high, so I go back with the prop as before, and now we are just done. We are at 90 amps, 6.6 kilograms. As soon as the airplane flies over 29 kilometers an hour because of the prop stall, and we have almost 500 watts per kilogram and a climb rate of about 20 meters per second. Very good. I'm now going to finalize the setup with a real ESC. So I'm fine with a light ESC. I need some headroom because I quite close to 100, so I choose the 130 amp ESC. The prop is fine, and here we go, we are done. We have now a proper hotline setup, and your colleagues will be astonishing what performance this setup will give you your ChocoFly Attacko. So we're recalling again our goals and conditions. We're fine with this setup, and thank you for your thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.